Hey guys, it's iRaven, and today I'm going to be unboxing a new iPod Touch case. Now, this case, there isn't really a problem with it. It's just, there's some wearing on there, and these little tabs here have broken off, so it's really flimsy. And then whenever it drops, watch. This thing just comes up and it annoys me to frick. Now, we're gonna get a new case on. Yep, it's brand new. This is a space case. It's a little bit more personalized for me because I like galaxies, and there's something a little bit interesting I found with it. It says iPod Touch 6 case, comma, iPod touch 6th generation. Wow, China. Like, bruh. And on the bottom of that has some random Chinese garbage. Now, I've ordered Amazon products by myself. Yes, this came from Amazon. And I noticed that actually means new. Alright, so now I'm gonna unbox this in front of you guys. So, yeah. Oh my gosh. Alright, here it is. That's neat. Oh my, okay. Look at this display thing. Oh my gosh. That is the worst thing you can have on a case. Holy crap. I mean, look at this. It says Touch 5, Touch 6. Wow, China. Go you. So now we're gonna take this little display frame out. This is just freaking hilarious. Here is the... oh, it's just two parts now. Alright, here's the rubberized design, here's the back shell. Now we're gonna take this old case off. So here's my iPod Touch without the case. It's in navy blue. It's a 6th generation. So, now we're gonna put this on. Okay, feels good, feels nice. Now we're gonna put the hard shell on. Neat. Alright, so it looks pretty good. As you can tell, it's blue, except there's just this iPod Touch loop that used to be on the 5th generation, and it's bothering me. I don't like that, but that's okay. Still, neat case. I'll catch with you guys later. Peace out.